Hey guys, today I've got a quick review of the Wild/Pro mechanical keyboard from Redragon. This is one of the better budget mechanical keyboards on Amazon. We're gonna do a full sound test, a full unboxing. I'll give you my thoughts after reviewing a ton of budget keyboards on Amazon. And then I'll let you guys kind of make your own decision. I will have links to it down below. So let's get into the unboxing and sound test. Let's get into the unboxing of the Wild/Pro. Pretty excited for this one, mainly for the sound test, but always cool to look at the colorway too. And this one has a interesting keycaps. So this is not your typical cherry profile. This is slightly different, and you can see a full look at the board here. So you do still have your home and in keys. I know a lot of people can't go without these. Delete key as well. I'm actually not sure what the PS, SL, and PB stand for. But I do like the color wave on this, so it's nice and muted, not crazy by any means. Quick first test. Actually sounds pretty creamy and light on the keys, so I'm excited to do a full sound test there. On the back here, we have our selector switch for 2.4G or Bluetooth, and then we also have a Windows or Mac mode, our dongles right here, and our USB-C connections there. And then we've got bottom feet, bigger feet, rubber pads, and the plastic build from Redragon. It's got a bit of flex, but nothing too crazy. So let's go ahead and get into the sound test. I can already tell I'm gonna be able to type very fast on this thing. I guess real quickly, let's see what else comes in the box here. Typical Redragon rubber cable there, puller, and then a couple extra switches, just in case one gets damaged or anything like that. So let's get into the sound test. All right, so this one was probably my favorite keyboard that I've reviewed in a while. Has a very light sound here, not too loud. Spacebar could be a bit quieter, but overall it has a nice kind of light, creamy sound to it. I can type very, very fast on this one. I do wish it had cherry profile keys instead of this layout. I feel like there's too much open space on this layout, and I'm not as big of a fan of that. But overall, it is a very good keyboard here, and the end and home options and delete right here is very big for a lot of people, including myself. So overall, this one is one of the winners. It will be linked down below, and I'll have all my keyboard reviews up here.